When a fighter jet kicks on its afterburner, that 2000 degrees Celsius blast makes it look like the nozzle should melt and explode on the spot. But here's where the real magic starts. The nozzle is built from a nickel-based superalloy, and it's packed with tiny micro-holes that create film cooling, forming a thin shield of cool air between the metal and the flames. On top of that, a thermal barrier coating blocks even more heat. And because metal expands under extreme temperatures, the nozzle is designed with overlapping pedal-like sections that let it expand and contract without cracking. That's why no matter how much fire the jet throws out, the nozzle doesn't melt. It stays rock solid.